Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
This video shows how to change your screen time password on iPhone. Make sure your device runs iOS 13 or later and that you are signed in with your Apple ID. If you already know the passcode, you can change it quickly in settings. If you forgot the passcode, you will need your Apple ID to reset it or prepare to erase the device. Allow about 3 minutes to check settings and follow the steps shown here. Open Settings and tap Screen Time to access passcode options. Tap Change Screen Time Passcode and follow prompts to enter the old code. When prompted, choose Change Screen Time Passcode again to confirm your intent. Enter the current passcode, then type your new passcode twice to confirm. You can choose a new 4-digit or 6-digit passcode, or use a custom numeric code for longer protection. Finish by verifying with Face ID or Touch ID if your device requests it. If you forgot the passcode, tap Forgot Passcode and sign in with your Apple ID. Enter the Apple ID password that is used for screen time to reset the code. If the Apple ID option does not appear, you may need to update iOS or sign in to iCloud. As a last resort, you can erase the device and restore from backup to remove the passcode. Using family sharing, a parent can reset a child's screen time passcode remotely from their device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.